Hello mga viewers, mag-bake na punta karon og banana cake. Mo ning atong mga ingredients. Ang main ingredients, of course, banana, evaporated milk, vanilla, then canola oil, then egg, then multi-purpose flour, sugar, baking soda, and baking powder. Usa ra ni siya kahulmahan, usa ka lutuan. Ato ning ipangsagol karon. Bake the egg. Add 1 cup sugar, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1 cup canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Mix together, then finally the banana, the smashed banana. Preheat the oven for 30 minutes. Ready na nato ibutang sa preheated oven. Our finished product.